Sabadi. Hello, my name is Thepitun Pasawat. I'm from Laos and I'm passionate about the community-based conservation. I'm graduated with bachelor degree in English from Savanakhet Teacher Training College and have experience working with CARE International, CDEA, and WWF Laos. As CDEA in partnership with CARE International, I'm work as a junior project officer for women empowerment for climate resilience project. I help community conserve forests, protected watersheds, and issue land use certificates, and also working closely with government sectors to support sustainable land development and develop livelihood such as beekeeping, making greenhouse for planting vegetable for support them. Uh-huh. And later, I joined WWF Laos, such as a consultant for junior conservation outreach officer under the Kabi project and promoted conservation through the School project, integrated environmental topic in the school curricula and organized exhibition to raise awareness about illegal wildlife trade in Salavan and Saigon province. Through my work, I have seen challenges like forest burning, biodiversity loss, and illegal wildlife trade, with threatening both nature and rural livelihood in Laos. My solution focus on empowering local communities through education, support, and conservation awareness, and supporting stronger law enforcement. I also use data collection to global college to track biodiversity and illegal wildlife trade pattern. These efforts have increased environmental awareness among students and community, improve conservation practice, and strengthen collaboration between local people and government sector around the Sesap National Park. I excited to share my knowledge and learn more through the IUCN Congress 2025. I believe we can create stronger community-driven solution to protect nature for the future generation. Thank you.